Okay, let's see if it lets me take out 500. Invalid. Only 200. Might have to do it twice. What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today, this video is a little bit different than my normal business video. I'm actually giving away some money. So, a couple of days ago, I'm here in Miami right now with Jeremy.
What's up, everybody?
And a couple of days ago, we were all playing basketball, and I was playing Ariel, one of the guys at the house. Yeah, NBA All-Star. And we were playing, and whoever lost had to donate $500 to charity. And then I lost. I'm not the best basketball player, especially against an NBA player, an all-star. So, you know, I posted it all on my Instagram story. I was trying to figure out, all right, you know, what do I donate to? And then I realized, you know, it would be more exciting to donate to, you know, specific individuals instead of just one company where they take a big cut for their own pockets. So right now, we're gonna go around at drive-thrus, tip some people that are, you know, they get paid minimum wage, they do minimum work. Some people may use it for the good, some people may use it for the bad. You know, even one thing we could do in the drive-thru, we could pay for people behind us.
Yeah, we could be like, everyone in line will pay for everyone.
Oh yeah, that'll be good. You know, just help some people out, make their days. It's not a ton of money. We have all the money right here, all the cash just went to the ATM. But I'll keep you guys updated.
Just gonna make Miami a better place, you know?
Yeah, Miami's a little bit rough. All right, we're at the first drive-thru, guys. Here we're gonna pull up, order just a little something. Jeremy, what you want? Anything?
I'd like a McChicken.
Hello?
Hi, may I take your order, please?
Can I get a McChicken?
McChicken with what else?
That's it.
It's $1.07.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
She put it on the order.
It's $1.07.
How much should we give her?
I think we should give her like, I don't know, we'll see how nice she is, you know?
Yeah, she's nice, you know.
No, I'm just kidding. We gotta give her at least 20 bucks, you know?
We give her a 20. It's $1.07. We just let her keep the change.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds perfect. $19 to start your next company with.
Yep. All right. The line is moving.
Okay, it's $1.07.
107. Thank you. She made like the craziest face because I just left with her with $20. Alright, well, if you don't know what happened right there, basically it was $1.07. I gave her a 20 and drove off before she could give me change. But now we're gonna pull up and get our food and give her 20. Hello, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good. There you go. No, for the food. 20.
I need your food?
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you.
She was nice.
Alright, you got it, Tanner.
Hello? You want some free money? 20? 40? No? Okay. Alright, since we're having trouble finding people, we don't have much time. I actually have to catch a flight very, very soon. So, you know, one lucky person. I thought it was gonna fly away.
I'm the lucky person. Okay, Tanner, we gotta pay for someone's gas.
Alright, I got $80. Let's pay for someone's gas.
Okay, let's do this.
I'll pay for it.
Yeah?
You want something?
Yo, everyone gets gas, right?
Let me take some more. Take some more? Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Sure you don't want it?
Everybody have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
Wow, Tanner, that was so difficult.
And, like, I'm trying to give her money, and she's like yelling. She's like, I was here first. I'm like, I'm trying to pay for your stuff. And then her card wouldn't work, and she finally took it. And she's like, fine. Okay, we've been having some troubles giving out money. People think it's fake, they don't want it, whatever. So we're gonna head into Subway and Dunkin' Donuts. Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. How is it working here? Fun? You don't like it that much? Alright, I'm gonna just have room for your daughter.
For Justin?
For Justin, yeah. Alright, take $80. Use it for the good, okay? Spread the joy. Buy someone a donut or something. Alright, have a good day.
She was happy.
She's still in there. Smiling.
She's still shocked.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to Subway. Hello. How are you? I'm just having a cookie. I want a chocolate chip, please.
All these options.
This one. You having a good day today?
No, I'm not.
That's good. Okay. Here's 60. You just keep that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And have a good day.
You too.
Maybe share with her? Here.
Yeah.
Take 40. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day. Okay?
Thank you.
God bless.
See you later. Well, we're just snacking on desserts now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get super fat from this.
Just giving out money and buying desserts. What's next, Jeremy? We don't have much money left. I've been, giving out some heavy checks. We only have $80.
Hey, let's go buy some people some groceries, you know?
All right, let's go to the grocery store.
All right, pulling up to Winn-Dixie.
Grocery store. We don't have these where I live up in North Carolina.
No, we don't either in Philadelphia.
But I guess we're just gonna be paying for some people's groceries, and we have to save $20 for the guard at the gate of the neighborhood, though.
Oh, definitely. He's the man.
All right, well, I don't really know how much people's groceries are gonna cost, but I'm just gonna go behind people and pay for it if I have enough. So, see what happens.
Hey, no, man.
More money? Giving away more money. More. I'll give you another 20 for having it.
We gotta pay for people's
We
groceries.
gotta pay for other people. Well, good luck. All right. Okay.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. Yep. Yeah, I wanted more money.
That's funny.
You need anything here?
Maybe some Takis.
Takis?
No, I don't want Takis. What's the move there?
I'll just give it to this guy in the back. Give him money to pay for it. Just make it easier. I'll just give it to the people around.
I guess so.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, pay for your groceries. You don't want it? Where's your money? You want money to pay for your groceries? Nobody? Money to pay for your groceries. Yeah. Special day, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta buy something?
It's a good day.
For you. I'm just buying people's groceries, but nobody else wants it. It's real money. You want it now? It's real money. You can see when you pay for it. Yeah, we'll find out.
Of course, man.
Who said Miami's not a friendly town?
That's right. We gotta make it friendlier. So,
Thank you.
Have a great day.
How you doing?
hey.
No, you guys can't record in the store. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. Sorry. All right, for a school project or?
We're giving away money because it's a good day.
You guys want?
No. Yeah, no recording. Sorry, guys. Right?
And now I gotta pull my own money out of pocket. Well, I already did, I guess, for all the money, but more money for the guy at the front gate.
Ooh, we got a pretty cool Ferrari.
Ferrari, California, the ugliest Ferrari ever made.
Oh man,
It's still a Ferrari,
You're
though.
just jelly you don't have your Ferrari anymore.
Yeah.
You're driving this Nissan.
No, this Nissan is nice. I love it. I could whip it pretty hard.
Alright, we're pulling up to the gate right here.
Is there nobody in there?
Wait, no way. There's nobody in there. Oh, there's one dude in there.
Oh, look who it is.
Oh, it is the big boss.
Good. I got something for you. I got a present.
What you got?
$20.
No, man, come on.
$20 for the day.
Yeah,
Come on.
That's not
Come on.
That's not appropriate. It's not funny.
No,
You guys enjoy your weekend.
no, this is just for, I appreciate it. Always opening the gate.
No.
Can you take it and give it to someone else?
That's not appropriate. Donate it to a charity.
Yeah, we did. We just went to
We
Winn-Dixie.
just gave away $500 to random
So, man,
people.
very good. Guys, enjoy your weekend.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Thank you. Is that technically like bribing a cop since he's a cop?
Oh man, I think it is.
He said it's not appropriate. I felt like my principal was yelling at me at school.
Yeah, I mean, he reminds me of my gym t-shirt.
Super nice guy. He's the best. The gatekeeper's there. He's the nicest one of all of them. Definitely the coolest.
Yeah, I'm happy with him. All right, Tanner. I think today was a great success.
I thought it was a success. You know, if we would have had more time, then we could have made it a little bit better. But I still, either way, we gave money to some people, whether they needed it or they didn't. You know, hopefully they use it for the right spots and or for the right things. We didn't find really any homeless people, but we help people that may need it. You know, people that work for minimum wage at these stores I see every day, like Dunkin' Donuts up here. Like, I go there almost every day when I'm here, and I always see the same people working there. And you saw she was like, yeah, I don't like my job. Gave her 80 bucks, I think, or 60, whatever it was. You know, she was super happy about that. And you know, most of the people, they didn't really care that much, whether they thought it was fake or they're just like, all right, whatever, it's money. But you know, the people that did get excited for her, they just kept their emotions inside. I'm glad I did it before or something, but oh, it sounds so good. But yeah, you know, hopefully I'll do this again, something more charitable where I actually go out and plan something, you know, more money, more fun, and actually getting some good reactions. As you saw in the grocery store, the guy kicked us out. Luckily, we just finished. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
High five.
And before we completely close off this video, I have a special opportunity for some of you guys that want to start your first online business. I just gave out money, me and Jeremy did it, and now I want to help you start your first online business by giving you a special $100 off discount to the program Next Generation E-Commerce. There's over 80 videos in there now. There's a bunch of special guests. We have a private group. I respond to everybody, all that good stuff. Wow. So if you want to get in, there will be a link in the description. See you there.
Wow, link in description, everybody.